$427. That is how much I was bleeding every single month. Not on rent, not on bills, on stuff I could not even name. I pulled up my bank statement one month, sat there, stared at it, and realized half of what I was paying for had quietly stopped being worth it. Here are 12 things draining your money right now in 2026. At least 3 of these are going to hit. Let us go. But first, context. This is not a stop buying coffee video. I am not here to guilt you. Here is what actually happened. Prices did not just go up. The value behind the price changed. Things that were smart buys in 2021, the math flipped. Fees went up, quality went down, and nobody sent you a notification. So you kept paying automatically, monthly, like nothing changed. But everything changed. The structure around your spending broke, and that is what we are fixing today. Number 1, food delivery apps, not the food, the apps. You order a $15 meal. By the time you check out, $27. Delivery fee, service fee, small order fee, tip. That is an 80% markup on the exact same food. Do that twice a week. And that is over $2,000 a year, just in fees. Not food, fees. The fix is simple. Pick 2 or 3 nights a week to cook. Batch it Sunday. Save delivery for when it is a genuine treat, not a Tuesday default. And that is just the food. Let us keep going. Number 2, streaming subscriptions, not one. The Stack, Netflix, Hulu, Max, Disney Plus, Paramount Plus, Peacock, Apple TV, Amazon. That is over $100 a month. And 47% of Americans say they are overwhelmed by the number of services they pay for. Because you actively watch one. Maybe 2. The rest are auto-renewing every month for shows you watched once in March. Here's the move. Rotate. Binge one service for a month. Cancel. Move to the next. Cut your bill by 60%. And Tubi, Pluto TV, YouTube, free right now. Nobody talks about them because there is no affiliate link, but they work. Number 3, brand new cars. I know. Hear me out. Average new car in 2026, $48,397, up 17% since 2021. And the second you drive it off the lot, thousands. Gone. Instantly. You did not crash it. You did not scratch it. You just drove it home. That is not a purchase. That is a donation to depreciation. A 2 to 4 year old certified pre-owned vehicle gives you the same reliability at a way lower price and lower insurance. I am not saying drive a junker. I am saying stop funding depreciation like it is a hobby. Okay, stop. If you are watching this going, I literally do all of these. Relax. That is not a you problem. That is the whole point. These things are designed to feel normal. Auto-renew, auto-charge, auto-forget. The structure is built against you. We are just flipping it. Keep watching. Number 4, extended warranties. The cashier hits you with it every time. Want to protect your purchase? Sounds responsible. It is not. Most products never break during the warranty window. And for cheap electronics, the warranty costs almost as much as replacing the thing. You are paying for peace of mind you will never use. Take that money, put it in a small replacement fund instead, and check your credit card. Most premium cards already include purchase protection automatically. You might be paying for something you already have. I know someone is in the comments typing, but mine saved me once. Cool. You are the 8%. Number 5, upgrading your phone every single year. Your phone works. The camera is fine. The screen is fine. But a new one drops and suddenly your perfectly good phone feels old. That is not an accident. That is a $960 a year marketing cycle. $80 a month. Every month. Forever. You are not buying a phone. You are renting a spot on the upgrade treadmill. Here is the math. Take that $80 a month and invest it instead. At a 10% average annual return, that is nearly $10,000 in 5 years. From just keeping the phone you already have, 2 to 3 years old and it still works, keep it. That is not being cheap. That is being structural. Number 6, fast fashion. This one is going to make people mad. Good. That $12 shirt, you wear it twice. It pills after 2 washes. Cost per wear, $6. That $60 quality shirt you wear 50 times, cost per wear, $1.20. Cheap clothes are not cheap. They are expensive spread across 15 purchases instead of 1. Buy less, buy better. And thrift apps like ThredUp and Poshmark have quality pieces at fast fashion prices. Quick math check. If you are guilty of even half of this list so far, that is $200 to $400 a month. Not on rent, not on groceries. On things that quietly stopped earning their price. And we are only halfway. Let us keep going. Number 7, your gym membership. Not gyms, your gym membership. There is a difference. $30 to $50 a month. If you are going 4 times a week, great value. If you are going twice a month, that is $25 per visit to walk on a treadmill. You could walk outside for free. Cancel it today. Use YouTube. Go outside. Build the habit first. Then rejoin when working out is already part of your structure, not just your guilt. Number 8, premium credit cards you do not maximize. That $550 annual fee is worth it if you travel 3 times a year, use the lounge, and claim every credit. Most people do not. They pay $550 a year for a metal card that feels premium in their wallet. That is not a financial tool. That is an accessory. Pull up your perks list right now. Write down every perk you actually used in the last 12 months. Add up the real dollar value. If it does not beat the annual fee, downgrade to no fee. Keep the credit line. Lose the vanity tax. Number 9, bottled water. This one seems small. It is not. 2 packs a week at around $8 each. That is over $700 a year, on water that comes out of your tap. Invest that $700 a year for 10 years at a 10% return, and that is over $11,000. The fix costs $45 total, a filter pitcher and a reusable bottle. Done. 3 left. And honestly, these last 3 are the ones people skip because they do not feel like waste. They feel like living. But that is exactly what makes them the most expensive ones on this list. Number 10, buy now, pay later apps. Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm. They tell you it is interest-free, and technically some of them are, but that is not the problem. The problem is structural. You buy 4 things on 4 different payment plans across 3 different apps. 2 weeks later, you forgot what you owe and when it is due. One hits your account at the wrong time. Overdraft. That is not interest-free. That is discipline-free. It turns one purchase into 4 months of financial noise. The rule is simple. If you cannot buy it once right now in full, you cannot afford it. Buy now. Pay later does not change that math. It just delays the truth. Number 11, paying full price ever. Almost everything goes on sale within 3 months. Clothes, electronics, furniture, 20% off minimum. When you see something you want, wait 2 weeks. If you still want it, look for a code. Browser extensions like Honey and Capital One, shopping apply discount codes automatically at checkout. Takes 2 seconds. If you forgot about it after 2 weeks, you just saved 100%. Paying full price in 2026 is a choice, and it is a bad one. Number 12, eating out for lunch every single workday. $10 to $15 a day, 5 days a week. That is $200 to $300 a month, $3,600 a year. On lunches you will not remember by Friday. I'm not saying never eat out. I'm saying make it a decision, not a default. Sunday, 45 minutes. Prep 2 to 3 days of lunch. Cut your spending by 70%. In the days you do eat out, it actually feels like a treat, not a Tuesday. So here is what all 12 of these have in common. None of them are bad purchases, not one. They were good purchases, smart purchases, normal purchases, but the structure around them changed. Fees went up, value went down, and nobody sent you a notification, so you kept paying. This is not about deprivation. It is not about being cheap. It is about one question. For every dollar leaving your account this month, is it still worth what you are paying? If the answer is no, cut it. That is not sacrifice. That is your raise. Nobody has to promote you. Nobody has to approve it. You just take it. You do not need to make more money. You need to stop losing the money you already make. Fix the structure. The money fixes itself. Pick one thing from this list, just one, cancel it, change it, fix it today. Subscribe because every single week I put out a video on exactly how to keep more of the money you already earn. And drop a comment telling me which one of these 12 you are cutting first. I read every single one. You just found your raise.